Okay, so I got to start this whole recording all over again. I did a nice, beautiful recording for you guys, and then I walked away, came back, and it didn't pick up correctly. So anyway, this particular trade, first of all, let me kind of show the date to make sure we're all on the same page. It's 4/1 in the US, but it's 4/2 if you're in like London or wherever. And I just entered to this trade right here, and the market is moving really, really slow because it is tomorrow's NFP, and in addition to that, you also have it's Good Friday and Easter weekend. So I entered into that trade, and I'm also in this trade right here, and you can see I entered in right here. And I'm currently up 2 pips. So again, I don't expect massive movement. And I'm sorry, I took it off the 1 hour time frame. Some people are like, where's the arrow? It's right there on the 1 hour time frame. Or you can see it as a continuation trade on the 15-minute time frame. And this is the USD Swiss 15-minute. You can see the arrow came in. So I'm just taking that as a particular pattern that I talk about to the students in class all the time. So this is a continuation. Now, I am not going to go heavy on it. I'll go back to the 1 hour time frame so I can explain why my stop loss is where it is. So tomorrow is NFP. Now, if it wasn't for NFP, I would have had a much smaller stop loss on this one. But tomorrow is NFP, and so therefore, because of that, I don't want to go too heavy on this trade. So therefore, and number 2, I want to have a very careful stop loss in case the market spikes up. And, you know, try to target this area right here, which I think it will do. It will try to possibly target, I'm learning how to use this new marker. So this area here is what I'm looking at. See, right up in that area right there. Let me stick to what I know. Let me pull this up. I'm trying to use these bougie tools. All right, right in this area right here. So I think if it does spikes back up, it may hit this area here. Now it could possibly come all the way up to here if they do a hard spike on that, which is going to be right here in that area. So that's why I have my stop loss above this area here. If they do spike it because of news, NFP, non-farm payroll job reports for the US, it could possibly come right to this area, just spike up and then stay there, and then maybe hopefully turn back around. But if not, and it spikes real hard, it might spike to this level, which is why my stop loss is right above it. Okay, so that explains why I did that. All right, so that's that trade. And then again, I am also in this trade here. Now, I want to be honest with you. I'm not going to film every trade that I take, but I'm just doing some of them so that people will see, okay, does it really work? Well, I'm showing you episodes so that you can see that, yes, the trading system works perfectly well when you understand market moves, which I teach in class, along with how to use the trading system correctly. So this is just showing you proof. Okay, so again, I'm in NZD CAD, and I'm also in USD Swiss. Okay, so those are the 2 trades I'm in. So I'll pause it and come back later. Okay, here we go, you guys. I told you. So this is AUD, NZD, and so you can see 43 pippers. I'm going to actually close these trades right here. So let's go ahead and close these out. NFP is coming. And then let's look at USD Swiss. And as you can see, I'm up about 17 pips on that one. So not bad at all. I will let that one ride, I believe. Actually, you know what? It's NFP. So let me take my money. Right there. Close that one out. And then last one was NZD CAD. And as you can see, I'm up 14 pippers on that one so far. And looking pretty good. I think I'm going to let that one run. So now I'll move my stop loss up a bit. Now again, it's NFP, so just in case they spike it, I don't want to get tapped out. But I will move my stop up a little bit. And there we go. Right, so that is that. But I told you guys, I told you. All right, so this is episode 5. You see me trade live on episode number 5. Have a great weekend. Happy Easter, everybody. Thanks.